Hey guys, welcome to my channel Medicinal Pharma Education. After a long time, after a 1 week, I'm posting this video because I was not emotionally stable to explain the videos. So from today, I will be posting the videos as continuously daily. Okay, I had like a little bit break for myself, and we will continue the NMR spectroscopy. In the previous videos we have completed successfully a unit. We have completed the UV visible spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy, spectrophlorometry, and frame emission spectroscopy, and atom absorption spectroscopy. Okay, now the very important and a little bit a tiny harder, means it's tougher than the UV spectroscopy, NMR spectroscopy, uh, nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. It's also NMR, its full form. Okay, in that we are going to discuss about the quantum number and their role in NMR. Okay, principal, instrumentation, solvent required for NMR, what are the different solvents, and what is the role of solvents, and relaxation process. And we will discuss about the NMR signals in various compounds, chemical shift, and factors affecting chemical shift, the important one, and spin-spin coupling, coupling constant. We will discuss about the nuclear magnetic double resonance, and in briefly, and the very important one is the FT NMR. We have already seen FT. Here we have seen, see, FTIR, but here we are going to see FT-NMR. Okay, and C13 NMR, and applications of spectroscopy. These are the topics we are going to discuss in this unit particularly. Okay, and this unit is little bit harder than the previous UV spectroscopy because instrumentation was quite similar, and here also instrumentation is similar, but we are using a different process. Okay, different NMR. Okay, I mean different radiation and different sources. Okay, that's the difference. Firstly, in this video we'll just discuss the important questions regarding the NMR spectroscopy, and what are the topics to be covered for the exam point of view. That's the only the video, because I have not completed the notes, and I have to write the notes and prepare myself to make the notes. Okay, in the next video, it may be tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll be posting the NMR spectroscopy, then you can study. But for today's video, as you have seen the thumbnail, it's only for important questions. Okay, the important questions, I have prepared a little bit notes, and from tomorrow I will be posting the videos. Okay. Okay, see, the main topics I'm going to tell here itself. You have to compulsorily complete this topic. See, the important point is that in M pharmacy, right, the every single topic is very important, because the examiners are trying to make question papers different. They're avoiding the previous year question papers and making their own self questions based on the questions which are not appeared in the question paper. If see, this time for our paper they have asked chemical shift, and what is nuclear magnetic double resonance. But previously this question nuclear magnetic double resonance was not appeared, so that many people thought that it will not come, but this time it has been appeared. So I recommend you to complete every single topic. Every single topic is important in M pharmacy. Okay, if you are in B form, you can just read the important questions. It will the questions will be repeatedly easy. Okay, but in M pharmacy the question paper are not appearing repeatedly. Okay, the question papers which questions the questions are not appearing repeatedly, so I recommend you to complete every single portion. But also we will discuss the important points where you have to complete these topics, and you have to go for the exam. Okay, most of them are repeated. See, first, explain explain the principle of NMR spectroscopy, discuss the various factors affecting chemical shift with suitable example. See, these two are very important. Okay, next, the principle of C13 NMR and why FT NMR used for obtaining C13 NMR. Explain different modes of C13 NMR. See, every question is a quite different from the previous one. As I said, the examiner in pharmacy, right, you have to go in depth. That's what the portion is about. Write a note on coupling and decoupling methods in NMR spectroscopy. Give a brief outline of principle of FT NMR and C13 NMR. Define chemical shift and explain nuclear over harsh effect. Explain the instrumentation and functioning of NMR with a schematic diagram. Okay. Next, give an account on C13 techniques and list the solvent requirements in NMR spectroscopy. Okay. Next, explain chemical shift, spin-spin coupling, nuclear magnetic resonance. Write the note on FT-NMR. And last two questions are explain the different parts of NMR spectroscopy with a neat labels with neat schematic diagram, and write a note on NMR application. Define chemical shift. Explain the various factors affecting a chemical shift. See, as I said you, almost every topic is repeated. Almost, see, this topic is repeated, this topic has repeated this year, 2025 paper. This topic is repeated, this topic spin coupling is also important, factors affecting is important, chemical shift is important, signals in various compounds, NMR signals in this is also I have asked. And relaxation process I have not asked. Solvent required in NMR they have asked. Instrumentation principle they have asked. Only the quantum number and the roles and the relaxation process have not asked. If the question paper, if the examiner want to test your studying skills, he may ask the next the quantum number and their roles in NMR, or the relaxation process in NMR. So that I suggest you to complete every single portion. And if you can't complete every single portion, at least know the topic to complete it. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. We'll start the topic NMR spectroscopy from the next class. Please subscribe to my channel and continuously watch on my videos. And the notes it's the standard notes you can write directly in your semester exams. And thank you guys. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye.